Unboxing with the boys.
Welcome to another episode of Unboxing with the Boys. I'm Brent.
I'm Adam.
And what do we got today, Adam?
Today we have the CS-HDM4X1ASW4.
Do you think up these numbers?
No, I don't. Because it'd be a little bit shorter.
It's not mine, I can promise you.
It's a mouthful.
Tell me a little bit about what we got in this box.
So this is the HDMI switch with 4 inputs, 1 output, as well as an audio breakout capability.
Ooh, and rumor has it also supports ARC.
That's correct.
Let's open it up and see.
All right. So Brent, I'll open it if you want to describe what we have going on here.
Okay, well, as usual, we have the manual, which tells you pretty much everything you need to know about it, including a picture of the remote.
And the unit itself.
And the unit itself.
So from there, we have our wall
mounting brackets.
Mounting brackets, that's correct. We have our 5-volt, 1-amp power supply.
Wow, looks just like a USB wall wart.
Pretty much, pretty darn close to it. From there, we have the unit itself. Go ahead and pop this out. And underneath of everything, and take that plastic out, is the remote. So put that back in there. Yep, get rid of that box.
Put this to the side and tell me a little bit about that nifty switch.
So first and foremost, on the front of it here, we have our first input. The rest of the inputs are on the back, and we'll get to that here in a little bit. Next to that, we have our IR receiver.
So you can run this with your control system.
Exactly. We have our LEDs that tell us power and inputs if they're active or not. We have our select button, our ARC LED to tell you if you were using ARC or not, our ARC button to activate or deactivate the ARC, 2-channel and 5.1 channel LED, and of course the button to control whether or not you're using 2 or 5.
And you said deactivate.
Deactivate, that's correct. So we'll flip it over here on the back of it. We have our other 3 inputs, so 2, 3, and 4.
Yes, sir.
We have our output for HDMI. Now again, this is a 4K HDR.
10-bit, all the good stuff, 18 gig.
We have our first audio breakout port here, which is our stereo audio breakout, which is a 3.5 breakout.
Yes, 3.5 stereo. Now, it is important to know that the 3.5 stereo breakout is connected to the input switches.
Correct. It's not for the ARC.
Right. So you can take any of the sources that are connected, run that audio into your distribution system in your house.
So then we also have our coaxial, digital coaxial output, as well as our Toslink output.
Now, those are connected to ARC and input, so you can select those for TV apps coming back into it to go into your AVR, or you can select them off the sources to go into an older AVR.
Finally, we have our DC 5-volt power, which is just a very simple 5-volt, 1-amp power supply.
Yes, sir.
All right. So that's basically the unit there. You'll notice also we've got great ventilation on that.
Yeah, very important.
Yes, exactly. So this has been the CS-HDM4X1ASW4 4K audio breakout 4-in, 1-out switch.
By the way, all the hex codes are available online at www.metrahometheater.com. And for more information, you can go there or our usual social media suspects. I'm Brent.
I'm Adam.
And this has been another episode of Unboxing with the Boys. Thanks.